Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an org chart. We'll be creating a block that will display the org chart starting at a specified employee. The first step is to create a structured block for each employee and then an org chart block that will be attached to a row. So we'll start with the top level employee, and our first step will be to create that first structured block. So I'll click Add Content, Blocks, Structured Blocks, and then org chart employee. Now we're doing Star Trek, so I will start with the commanding officer. So I'll do CO, and I will go to full screen here so we can see this. So job title, this is Captain. Name is Jean-Luc Picard. Doing Next Generation here, of course. And the parent block, this is where I would normally attach the employee above this employee, but since the captain here is the top of the structure, we won't add anything here. And the more information, this is optional. I can do something like, say, if he had a personal website or a LinkedIn page we wanted to link to, we could do that. So we don't have anything like that, so I'm not going to add anything there. And in advanced options, there's just some options here for how you want the org chart to display. I'm not going to do anything with these, but you can if you like. You can experiment with those. So that's created. So I'll click Preview Draft. And I'll click Submit. And there we go. So I will create the second block now. So I will go back to Add Content, Blocks, Structured Blocks, org chart employee. Now this is going to be the next level down, which is the executive officer. And I'm going to say his job title is first officer. And that is William Riker. And I will add something on the parent block here. So I choose block. And then I just select org chart employee CO. So this is the one that I just created. There we go, click choose. And I'm gonna leave it at that. So I'll choose preview draft and submit. Add any content, or sorry, any comments, and submit again. So I'll add two more below Riker here just so we can see how it works. So I'll do add content again, blocks, structured blocks, org chart employee, and now let's do the engineer, shall we? So the engineer, and the job title is Chief Operations Officer. I did have to look this up earlier, so Chief Operations Officer. I don't keep all this stuff in my head, and he is Geordi LaForge. And I do apologize to Star Trek fans if I'm getting any of this wrong. So for parent block, I'm going to choose the XO, which was Riker, so that's right here. Choose again, preview draft, submit, any comments, submit again. So we're going to do one last employee block, and then I'll do the row block here. So add content, blocks, structured blocks, org chart employee, and this one is going to be counselor. And I think her job title is ship's counselor. And her name is Deanna Troy. So okay, and the parent block, now she's going to have the same parent block as our previous one, so that's going to be the XO here. So I wanted to do 3 levels so we can see what it looks like and how it displays on the live page. So select that, click choose, preview draft, submit, any comments, submit again. There we go, and there's our 4 employees. So now all we have to do is create the org chart block, which is a row block. Point these blocks at that, and then we can add that to our page. So we click Add Content, Blocks, Row Blocks, go all the way down to Org Chart, and now this is going to be the enterprise, so I'll just give this a name. Now all I have to do is just pick the leader, and that will build the rest of the org chart. So back down here, and the leader was this org chart employee CO. Select that, click choose. There we go. And all we have to do is preview draft. We submit comments, submit again. And now I just need to attach this to a row. So I just need to go down to the page that I've already created. So it's in blocks. It's called org chart, so I'll select that page. I'll choose edit. I'll expand to full screen so we can see that here. And I will add it to this row. So I just need to change the content type to row block, choose my block. And let's see, there it is, org chart enterprise. So that's our row block that we created. So I select that, click choose, preview draft. Wait for that to render. And there's our org chart. So you can see it starts with, if we minimize that, or if we click on that, it'll hide everything, and then we just click once. There's our first officer, click again. There's our Chief Operations Officer, Jordy, and Ship's Counselor, Deanna Troy. Okay, all that's left is to submit. Any comments, submit again. And it's working live, great. Okay, I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video.